key to W11. We had one working key, one new China key, connect CGDI to the car, make ignition on, go to read ice data. Okay, we see original two keys in it. Then we go to copy key with key, collect data, let the key in, yes, press OK, put key out, key to device, select OK. Original key works, but fob not works. So this is why we need one key more. As you can see, it's fast, 20%. %. $17. I think it's really fast tool. Das wieder an. Ich komme gleich zu dir rein, wenn es soweit ist. All you need to do, follow the instructions. One, two, three, four, five. Okay, it's ready. We need to make a new path for this car. Okay, make a new one. V211. Okay. Okay. Now we Save it. Okay, now we can see the password. Upload data, which we have saved before. Upload. Press. Here we can see what happens. Collect data was successfully. Now we upload data. Okay, try once more. Upload data. Okay, data upload successful. Press query result and wait for password. Okay, try once more. Now we can see it calculate the password. Sometimes you see we need to try it twice, but this is not a problem. We had enough time. Okay, success, we got the password. Press copy. Next go to EIS. Press paste to set password. Now we can see whole data from car and the needed password. Then go to save EIS data. Plus. So I see EIS data included password. Save successful. As next we need to generate the key. Okay. Load EIS data. See all files. Which is the data with password. Okay. Key we would like newer generation. Okay, generate key file. V41 old key. V51 newer one. Generate key file. Okay, now we'll see what happens here. I think it will be fast. Okay, it's ready. It shows me where I like to save the file. Okay, press save. File was generated successfully. So go to ICE. We see first two key was teach in. So new key. I do China key to that programmer new. Dun. Okay, open. I choose key number 8, the last one. Write success. Okay. Now we take new key to ignition. Okay, you hear the sound. Turn ignition on. Works. I press brake. Car starts with it. The old one is there. So with this new key, now with the test fob, you can see open, closed, works. So I would say good work.